I know it just can't be me. The spark that I had a few years ago, it just feels gone. Feels like I can't go back to the good old days when life was so much simpler. Doesn't feel the same now. This probably isn't the first time you're hearing something like this. You probably heard a lot of people say that, it's different now, things have changed. But why have things changed? What is it that made the good old days so good? What made it so different? Why is it different now? And then I started to think about this, and then I realized what I spent my time doing. So back then, when I was a lot happier, I had, the good old days era. What was I doing? A better question could be, what am I doing now that doesn't make me feel like I'm happy right now? Why do I keep on thinking about the past instead of carrying and looking forward to the future and the present moment? Why? I took a minute to think about this, and then I just went on my phone. I stopped thinking about it because I realized it was too hard, too uncomfortable to think about. I didn't want to admit it, but I realized that I was not doing anything interesting, fun, cool in my life, but it was so easy to fix that. It's just the problem is whenever anything slight challenging that my past self years ago would be so happy to do, now I would just go on my phone because, oh, that's also fun though. It's also fun, it's also nice, it's also easy, enjoyable to go on my phone. Except that when I'm done the time I spent on my phone, when I'm done with the day, I realize, oh, I just did absolutely nothing. I didn't realize this right away. It took a lot of time, months, years, to realize that what I was doing, of course, I'm going to feel bad about my life because I'm not doing anything. I'm just sitting inside, not being outside, not trying to enjoy every day to the fullest. So I realized I needed to change something. And that was honestly just to hide my phone for a little bit. It takes up so much time of my day. And when I did, I just felt like I was in a completely new world. There's so much noise that is on your phone, especially if you're on social media a lot, especially if you're watching a bunch of videos. There's just so much noise that can easily be taken away by just flipping your phone upside down for a minute, not bringing it with you. And now that I'm outside right now, I hear all the birds. I feel the fresh air. I feel the nice little breeze coming in. I just feel the whole environment. Now, instead of thinking, oh wow, I'm so lucky. I mean, I am lucky that it is nice out, that it isn't raining, that I can even be outside in the first place. Instead of thinking of it like, oh, this guy has something that he had that I don't. Being optimistic about things, seeing the positive. Because in the background right now, I hear a plane. And that plane guy, the guy riding the plane, it could be some jet, and it could be some guy in a jet who's really happy that he's in that jet. But I'm not going to look at that jet and be like, oh, I wish I was like that. Oh, he's lucky to have that and that. I'm going to be grateful for what I have right now, that I'm able to even live in the first place. But the thing that was even worse is that I spent so many years when it's a nice day out like this, not actually going outside, just staying on my phone. Probably heard this before, like, get off your phone, do something. It's the phone. And I've heard this multiple times too, get off the screens, video games are a waste of time and stuff like that. But it's only when I actually tried it, it just felt so refreshing. All the time, all the extra energy I had to do other stuff. It can feel boring, but after you do it for a while, you just realize all the new things that seem exciting, all the new opportunities that you can do. And that's really how I started to feel like it's the good old days again. It's a nice day out. I'm outside. I have a bike that I haven't used in a while that I'm using again, and I'm biking around where I live. It just feels amazing. There's no other way to put it. It genuinely feels like I'm a kid again. It feels a bit empty, but the silence is so worth it. It's so refreshing, just being able to clear your brain basically and focus on a few things which matter to you. But besides just going on your phone a bit less, you can also try to participate in more things in your life. Be active in the things that you do, because recently I've been doing a lot of the same things that everyone else has been doing, like going to school, having to do this, the repetitive things in life that I actually look forward to, because just the way I handle those moments or situations, I don't think of school as some boring thing, but I just think of it as this fun place where I can challenge myself, literally. I don't think of it as a negative place, as a time waster, because I'm just so engaged in what I'm doing at school. Whether it's just being present, looking around, the people that are around, saying hi to people, talking to the teacher, saying hi to classmates. Literally everything about it is just, I like it. I'm using what's the best in school to my advantage. Just having that optimism. Like, yes, there's negative things I can think about in life, like how the sports teams that I'm playing, the lacrosse team, like our team kind of sucks, but it's extremely fun to play. I learn a lot from it. I get more active. I get physically stronger and mentally stronger. It's such a great atmosphere, even though we freaking lose some annoying games, which we could have easily won, but we didn't. I could be upset about that. I could be upset that our school gets no funding, that it's a horrible school. People don't like it. Or I could just be like, well, at least I like the certain people that I'm around. I like that there's a nice atmosphere around the school, at least, that it's close to where I live. Just having that optimism. I could think about the negative things. I could think about, oh, I'm not doing this well in math class. I don't like math. I was the only person who didn't get the little quiz we did. I was the only person who didn't get 100% on it. I could be upset about that. I could cry about it. I could think I'm some weird failure, but I don't care. One, because I don't worry about math that much, but also just because it doesn't matter. I still have a good grade. And there's a lot of other bigger things to worry about in life, and more things that I care about. Just being more optimistic. It's just, you have to go this extra effort, this extra mile, just to be a little bit more optimistic, to make that effort. And I feel like just not a lot of people are willing to do that for some reason. It feels, I don't know, cool. It feels weird to care a bit more. But when you just start doing that, you be more confident, and then you have the confidence to do more, and then you're actually doing what you want in life. It's just the little things that I fixed for my day-to-day life, the habits. Like, there's this thing I saw in one of my classrooms. It was like this little quote thing on her desk. It was like, your thoughts become words, your words become actions, your actions become habits, and your habits become your lifestyle, something like that. And just being able to control my thoughts, control the way I think, has allowed me to completely change the trajectory of my life. So having a W mindset, a positive mindset, also not going on your phone as much, and also trying new things for the last thing. Just being more open to try new things. I remember a few years ago, there was this game I really liked, Fortnite. It was amazing. It was so fun playing with my friends and stuff, but I didn't know what the game was, but I tried it and I loved it. I played it all the time. So why can't I just try something else in my life as well? I played it for years. I was so invested into that. So why can't I do that for other stuff in my actual life? Whether it's sports, music, playing the piano. I just started playing this piano song and I love it so much. I can't wait to go back inside and play that piano piece more. Not go on my phone and scroll. Like, am I perfect at this, by the way? No, I'm not perfect at this. But it's just having the mindset that you can still make an effort to not, waste your whole day being on your phone. Like, yes, I still watch a YouTube video here and there. Yes, I still play some video game with my friend occasionally if we have nothing to do at school. I still do these things, but it's just having that mindset that there's better stuff you can do and you do it like 99% of the time. It's not for the whole day. It's just a 10-minute little break. That's completely fine. You don't have to be perfect at this. You don't have to have 10 minutes of screen time, but you can still make an effort to lower that, basically. Also, what else have I been trying out? YouTube. This whole thing. I've been trying and making an effort. Not every video I make is going to be perfect or going to be well or perform well, but that's the beauty in it. That's what I like about it, is that you don't make videos because you want to get money out of it or make an outcome, get views or something like that, but just because it's a fun thing you can do, which can help you, hopefully, and other people. But also give me something fun, productive to do instead of just scrolling on my phone. So finding things to do. Like, so many times I remember just asking my mom, I'm bored, I don't know what to do. And then she would tell me to read a book. And I'd just be like, no, I don't want to read a book. Okay, then do this. Oh, no, I don't want to do that. I was basically just like, okay, can I just play video games? Something like that. Like, I would be bored of playing video games. And that was during my summer days where I could have been outside doing so many things. And when I started doing all these things, like making videos, playing more music, I've always wanted to do them, but I haven't for some reason. It feels so great doing it.